Are you tired of nerve pain cramping your style? What if I told you there's a natural way to soothe those pesky nerves? That's right. Today, we're diving into the aromatic world of essential oils to discover how they can be your secret weapon against nerve damage. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to turn your home into a mini essential oil sanctuary. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You won't want to miss out on all the juicy wellness tips we've got in store for you. Why oils? You might be wondering, why oils? Aren't they just for making my home smell like a spa? Well, not quite. Essential oils are like the Swiss Army knife of wellness. They're packed with anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can be a game changer for anyone dealing with nerve damage. Think of them as your personal wellness concierge, always there to offer you some much-needed relief. And the best part? They're all natural, so you can say goodbye to those pesky side effects that often come with synthetic treatments. So, are you ready to oil up and kick that nerve pain to the curb? Let's get into it. Peppermint Oil. Let's kick things off with peppermint oil, a popular choice that's as versatile as it is effective. Peppermint oil is a powerhouse when it comes to analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that the active compound in peppermint oil, known as menthol, acts as a natural pain reliever. It works by blocking pain signals, offering a cooling sensation that can be incredibly soothing for nerve pain. Now, how do you use this wonder oil? The key is to dilute it with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil. Once diluted, you can apply it topically to the affected area. A gentle massage can help the oil penetrate deeper into the skin, providing more effective relief. It's crucial to perform a patch test first to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. But wait, there's more. Peppermint oil isn't just a one-trick pony. It also offers aromatherapy benefits that can uplift your mood. The aroma of peppermint has been shown to have a positive impact on cognitive function. So you're not just getting physical relief, you're also giving your spirits a little boost. Lavender Oil. Moving on to our second contender, lavender oil. This oil is like the comfort food of the essential oil world, widely recognized for its calming and relaxing properties. If you're dealing with nerve-related pain and discomfort, lavender oil can be your go-to remedy. Compounds present in lavender oil, such as linalool and linolyl acetate, have been shown to have analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects. So how can you incorporate lavender oil into your routine? One effective way is through massage. Dilute the lavender oil with a carrier oil and gently massage it onto the affected area. The tension will start to melt away as the soothing aroma envelops you. Another method is to use a diffuser by your bedside. A few drops of lavender oil in the diffuser can enhance sleep and promote a deeper, more restful slumber. But we're not done yet. For an extra layer of relaxation, you can add a few drops of lavender oil to your bath. The warm water will help open up your pores, allowing the oil to penetrate more deeply and offer even more relief. Chamomile Oil. Chamomile oil is another essential oil that has garnered attention for its potential benefits in treating nerve damage. Derived from the chamomile flower, this oil has been used for centuries for its soothing properties. Modern research has confirmed what traditional medicine has long known. Chamomile oil has significant anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Active compounds in chamomile such as chamazulene and alpha-bisabolol have been studied for their ability to reduce inflammation and relieve pain. These compounds target the underlying causes of nerve pain, providing relief when it's needed most. When it comes to using chamomile oil for nerve damage, topical application is one of the most straightforward methods. This oil can be absorbed directly by the skin, allowing its therapeutic components to reach the affected nerves. To use chamomile oil topically, it's essential to dilute it with a carrier oil like almond or olive oil. Once diluted, you can apply it directly to the affected area and massage gently. This localized application can reduce inflammation and ease nerve pain effectively. Aromatherapy is another way to experience the benefits of chamomile oil. Inhaling the gentle scent of chamomile can have a profound impact on the mind and body, including a state of calm and tranquility. This relaxation response extends to the nervous system, aiding in nerve recovery and promoting overall well-being. You can use a diffuser to disperse the oil's aroma throughout a room, or even add a few drops to a steaming bowl of water and inhale the steam. But chamomile oil has more to offer. For an extra tip, consider adding chamomile oil to your tea. A few drops in a cup of hot water can make for a relaxing beverage that not only soothes your nerves but also helps you unwind after a long day. It's a simple yet effective way to incorporate the benefits of chamomile oil into your daily routine. Rosemary Oil. Rosemary oil is another essential oil that has gained prominence for its potential in treating nerve damage. Originating from the rosemary herb, this oil is rich in bioactive compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid. These compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, making rosemary oil an excellent choice for reducing inflammation associated with nerve damage. But that's not all. Rosemary oil also has the unique ability to stimulate blood flow. Improved circulation ensures that essential nutrients reach the nerve cells, aiding in their repair and overall function. When it comes to using rosemary oil, dilution is the first step. It's a potent oil, and direct application to the skin can cause irritation. Therefore, it is advisable to dilute it with a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil. Once diluted, the oil can be massaged into the affected area. The act of massaging not only helps in better absorption of the oil, but also further stimulates blood flow to the area, enhancing the oil's benefit. It's always a good idea to do a patch test first to ensure that you don't have an allergic reaction to the oil. Aromatherapy is another effective way to use rosemary oil. The aroma itself can be invigorating and can contribute to a sense of well-being, which is often needed when dealing with the stress and discomfort of nerve damage. A diffuser can be used to spread the aroma throughout the room, providing an environment conducive to relaxation and healing. Beyond topical application and aromatherapy, rosemary oil has culinary uses that can contribute to your overall health. Incorporating rosemary oil into your cooking not only adds flavor, but also allows you to ingest the oil's beneficial compounds. Whether it's a few drops in a salad dressing or using it as a marinade for meats, the culinary use of rosemary oil offers an additional avenue to reap its health benefits. Helichrysum oil. Helichrysum oil is a lesser-known but highly effective essential oil for treating nerve damage. Extracted from the flowers of the Helichrysum plant, this oil is rich in compounds that have been shown to promote nerve cell regeneration. This is particularly important for anyone dealing with nerve damage, as the ability to regenerate nerve cells is crucial for recovery. The oil's regenerative properties are backed by scientific research, including studies that have shown its effectiveness in promoting nerve cell growth and restoration. The first step in using helichrysum oil is dilution. Like many essential oils, helichrysum oil is highly concentrated and should be diluted with a carrier oil, such as almond or jojoba oil, before topical application. Once diluted, the oil can be applied directly to the affected area. A gentle massage can help the oil penetrate the skin, allowing its regenerative compounds to reach the damaged nerves. It's advisable to perform a patch test before full application to ensure that you don't have an allergic reaction to the oil. While helichrysum oil is effective on its own, its benefits can be enhanced when used in a blend with other essential oils. For instance, blending helichrysum oil with lavender oil can provide both regenerative and calming benefits, making it a more comprehensive treatment for nerve damage. The blending doesn't just amplify the benefits, it also allows for a more personalized treatment approach. You can experiment with different blends to find the combination that works best for you, but it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. And there you have it. We've explored the top 5 oils that can be your allies in the battle against nerve damage: peppermint, lavender, chamomile, rosemary, and helichrysum. Each one offers unique properties that can help alleviate nerve pain, reduce inflammation, and even promote nerve regeneration. So why not give them a try? Your nerves will thank you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider sending a super thanks to support the channel. Until next time, stay well and keep shining.